Is your running in balance? Hi, I'm Gloria Averbush, running author with Point Sports Health. You know, running is great for lower body strengthening, but it doesn't do much for the upper body. Why is that important? Well, in addition to making sure that you're comfortable and that your mechanics are good, as you begin to tire, fatigue in your running, many times the upper body will also fatigue, causing various problems in your gait and in your endurance. So let's talk a little bit about upper body strengthening. You know, in addition to the common push-ups, the dips for the back of the arm, and some of the other upper body exercises that you may be familiar with, I do one that I like very much, which is very running specific. Using dumbbells of a comfortable weight, or even heavy cans or other objects, I like to take my running form, the arm swing, and practice doing it with weights. This specifically strengthens the muscles responsible for your running stride. Try doing this while looking into a mirror. Watch what happens when your upper body fatigues with the weights, and you'll notice if you have any possible form deformities that may impact your running. Start small, doing enough for which you feel comfortable, and then increasing over time. Again, you might want to do this exercise every other day or vary it. You'll notice when you get back on the road that arm swing feels light and comfortable and helps to power you. I'm Gloria Averbush with Point Sports Health, wishing you many happy and healthy miles of running.